have it all. My heart is yours. Won't relent until you have it all. My heart is yours. Here is my heart. Here is my heart. Here is my heart. You can have it all. Here is my heart.
Yes, yes,
Here is my
yes,
heart.
yes.
Here is my heart. You can have
Lord, I surrender
it
to you.
all.
Every burden that's inside of me, every ambition, every want, every desire in me, every attribute, even any gifting I've received. Examine me, search for anything that lies beneath. Cause sometimes what I see becomes overbearing. A generation running wild like if no one's caring. People just pass by and they stay looking, staring. Where's the full armor of God that we should be wearing? I was juror number 8 in the murder case. To hear testimonies of a baby girl who take her last breath at the hands of her parents. They shove soap in her mouth as she stands in a panic. Terror in her eyes as she screaming cries because her Brillo pads rubbed on her knees and thighs. She was held in the freezing water until she died. God, I release my heart to set free this mind.
Here is my heart. Here is my heart. Here is my heart. You can have it all. Here is my heart. Here is my heart. Here is my heart. You can have it all.
Place my entire heart on the potter's wheel, asking you to transform it to the Father's will, that I may lose myself in my offering, in my worship, in my praise, man, in all I bring. I'm so hungry, I'm so thirsty, I need more of you. I'm not satisfied, Lord, I want all of you, that I may seek your face and not just your hands. Cause in the secret place, I know who I am. I was created to make your praise glorious, carrying the cross to the place of holiness. It's your holiness in my life that I need, and it's your very presence that I breathe. Come be that burning fire that consumes me, consume my very being, breathe into me, and let this flame never cease to exist until my heart is yours.